Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study psychology in university. First, thoroughly research different university programs to find one that aligns with your interests. Look into their specific psychology specializations, as these can vary widely. Next, understand the admission requirements, which often include a minimum GPA or specific high school courses. Finally, consider visiting campuses or taking virtual tours to get a feel for the university environment. Once you've chosen a path, focus on strong academic performance in subjects like biology, statistics, and social sciences. These foundational courses will be incredibly helpful. It's also wise to start developing your critical thinking and research skills, as these are central to psychology. You can even explore introductory psychology concepts through free online courses or books to get a head start. During your university studies, active engagement is key. Participate fully in lectures, seminars, and study groups to deepen your understanding. Don't hesitate to seek out research opportunities with professors. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Joining psychology clubs or student organizations can also provide excellent networking opportunities and expose you to different areas within the field. As you approach graduation, begin exploring the diverse career paths a psychology degree offers, from counseling to human resources. Many specialized roles, like becoming a licensed therapist, require postgraduate studies, so plan accordingly. Gaining practical experience through internships or volunteer work is also crucial. This helps you apply your knowledge and build a strong resume for your future in psychology.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.